everyone. We are here with Parents to Parents Forum today. This is an initiative by Premier International School where we have brought our parents together, and we will be discussing on how to strengthen bond between family members during COVID-19. I hope whoever finds this video will find it very beneficial and you can relate to your feelings as well. So let me introduce the panel here. We have Ms. Praveena Thapa, our academic director. Then we have Bipin Shrestha, who is the man behind the scene recording this entire session. To introduce our parents panel, we have Ms. Shilpa Lepcha, who is from tourism industry. You can just wave your hands. We have Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, who is from our tourism industry. Please wave your hands. And we have Durga ji, Ms. Durga Baral, who is from medical industry. So I'll keep the question here to everyone. What were the aha and the ono moments during building family relationship stronger in this COVID-19? You can unmute your mic if you want to go first.
Hello, everyone. The aha moment was, after a very long time, I felt as if it's kind of a holiday, staying back home with family, especially with kids, because working parents, we usually don't get so much time, spending more time with the kids. And I thought lockdown would be one of the days where I can spend longer period with my children, talking to them, and then what's happening in the school, how their life is moving on, how they are coping up with this lockdown, what they think about COVID-19, all this kind of thing. I was very happy in the beginning. And slowly then the other oho moment was the pile of work that was left at home, while working out, then I could sort those out. The first was the children, and the second was one was the sorting out of work at home. I was like relaxed, and then, but at the same time, I was also thinking at the back of the head that I have to work because we have an online business. So at the back of the head, like with the household work, we are spending time with family members. I was also thinking that yes, I have to do something, staying at home, plus running the office activities as well. So that was like going, the aha moment was there, but then at the back of the head, I also had responsibility towards my company. I have to keep things running because there are quite a number of craftsmen working with us. So, the matter of finance and keeping them safe, that was one of the main responsibility, I think. So.
Thank you so much. You can just unmute your mic.
So for us, the aha moment is like having kids really happy, because they're really, really happy having all the parents available for them, playing with them, cooking with them, doing activities with them. I think we're more focused in family and we are in joint family. So my husband, he has his brother with him, and I have my mom-in-law. So all of us were cooking. So every day they're excited about, like, we plan 3 days cooking schedule. So kids, everyone, they're ready to say, okay, tomorrow we're going to make breakfast, who is going to do the dishes, who is cleaning. So, and they're also focusing in learning different new things, like Arav, especially he is learning French with me. I'm utilizing that time because I wanted to teach him French since long, but as like when we work, we really can't do the things as we wish. So since yesterday, he has been learning French. So they choose the activities. Yeah, mostly like this time has given
opportunity to be together,
explore
and then,
things.
explore things and try new things, because we hardly get time as a whole family, because everybody on a normal circumstances, everybody is running for their work and then their schedule and everything. But this is the time, we got the opportunity, but not in a good way, but then we should be utilizing what we have. So that is the aha moment.
So we're trying to cling on the positive sides of the life with the kids, so that they won't see the hardship. No, they're knowing like what to do, what not to do. They're also aware of so many things. They're learning like with time, with situation. They see like dad and mom, they're not working. There are so many things, the risk factors. So they're learning to economize. They're learning to adjust, compromise. So which is good at a way, because in a big family, they learn. At times we fight, discussions, but we come with a good conclusion.
Yeah.
And like my husband, he discovered like he has a good carpentership, like he is doing in a workshop, home stuff. So
DIYs, and then that is the aha moment. And then OHO is, as we all know, that
the uncertain future.
The uncertain future, and there's no work, no going out, and then no meeting friends, no office colleagues, and especially for people like me, because we can't work from home, because I'm in the operation side. So if there is no flight, and if there is flight, I have to go. If there is no flight, I cannot work from home, because I have to be there for certain things.
So he was there in the airport.
The only thing I can do from home is check the emails and then reply. That's it. But that is not working from home for me. So as long as there's this uncertainty, and there's no people coming in or going out, that is the OHO moment, because
and I think
it is uncertain.
All of us were getting this chance to explore me, what we are, what we want to. We're trying to search ourselves.
Yeah, me in the sense our own self.
So that is the positive thing. So we should be carrying. I think this is it. So we are like living day by day, like
day by day, planning for tomorrow, and then not planning for
longer term,
5 or 7 days ahead. But what to do tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that will keep us going.
Yeah, and the kids are also happy, and like we have mom-in-law, like his mom, like who is 62, 63, like she was really stressed. So with all the activities we have been doing, she's stress-free. So that is the thing, like we should be staying positive. I know it is difficult.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Positive. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Moving on to Durgaji.
हेलो नमस्ते सबैजनालाई मेरो चाहिँ हाम्रो चाहिँ घरमा अलिकति सायद सबैको भन्दा थोरै डिफरेन्ट छ होला म पनि मेडिकल फिल्डको अनि मेरो छोरीको बाबा पनि मेडिकल बिजनेस नै भएको भएर अहिले अलिकति छोरीले टाइम पाइहालेको चाहिँ छैन अलिकति स्ट्रेसमा कस्तो भइरहेछ भने आहा मुडमा चाहिँ एउटा थिङमा म आफू पनि बच्चा हुन पाएको अब 5 वर्षको छोरीलाई घरमा राखेर खेलाउन त सजिलो छैन अनि जस्तो उ खेल्छ आफू पनि उ जत्रै भयो अनि स्कुलको एक्टिभिटिज चाहिँ यति हेल्प गरेछ यहाँहरूलाई नमस्ते नै गर्नुपर्छ भोलि के गर्ने मैले टेन्सनै लिनु पर्दैन कि भोलिको लागि त एक्टिभिटिज आइहाल्छ जस्ट फर्स्ट सैटरडे र सन्डेलाई बाँकी रहेको कुन नगरेको छ त्यसले काम पुगिरहेछ त्यो यति सजिलो भएको छ हामीलाई त एक्टिभिटिजले एक्साइटेड हुन्छ सबैभन्दा खुसी कति बेला लाग्छ भने उ जुरुक्क उठ्छ ममा स्कुलको एक्टिभिटिज आयो उसको फर्स्ट क्वेसनै त्यो हुन्छ कि गुड मर्निङ पछाडिको फर्स्ट हुन्छ मैले त्यो भिडियोहरू पनि पठाइदिइरहेको हुन्छु टिचरहरूलाई खुसी लाग्छ नि ऊ हेर्छ अनि आजको के आयो ऊ हेर्छ अनि यो गर्ने भने उसको सेकेन्ड हाफसम्म त मेरो दिन गइहाल्यो उसँगै अनि म आफू पनि बच्चा हुन पाइरहेको छु उसँग खेल्दा ओर्दा जस्तो मैले चाइल्डहुडमा गराएको थिएँ अब अलिअलि मिक्सअप गराएर सँगसँगै अनि उसको बाबासँग चाहिँ अब पहिला बाबा लेट आउनुहुन्थ्यो अहिले चाहिँ अलिकति 5-6 बजीसम्म त आइपुग्नुहुन्छ उहाँहरूको चाहिँ अब बाबाको स्ट्रेस उसलाई के भयो भने ए आऊ अनि त्यस हेलो अनि बाबा अब यो मेडिकल सर्टेजदेखि लिएर अहिले हाम्रो देशको कन्डिसनै त्यस्तै छ अनि त्यसको लागि अब चार्टर फ्लाइटहरू हुन्छ कि बाहिरबाट अब कताबाट सामानहरू आइरहेको छैन टेस्टहरू हाम्रो दिनै पछि घटिरहेछ जति टेस्ट बढाउन सक्यो टेस्टमा लाग्नु भएको छ त्यो भएर अलिकति छोरीले थोरै टाइम हाम्रो चाहिँ अलिकति फरक भएको छ अब उस डेली एक्टिभिटिजमा अहिले स्कुलले पठाएपछि त हामीलाई टेन्सन लिने चान्स छैन सानो छोरी भएको भएर होला सायद त्यो चिज बोइजहरूलाई चाहिँ अलिकति गाह्रो पनि हुन्छ होला कि छोरीलाई त घरमा जे गरे बेबी यो गर भन्ने समातिहाल्छ सजिलो हुन्छ अरू त सबै ठिक छ एकदम एक्साइटेड छ है छोरी
आज त हामी आजको एक्टिभिटी त गर्नै बिर्स्यो
आजको एक्टिभिटीमा के गर्यो छोरीले मेकअप
आजको होम एक्टिभिटी मेकअप गरे
अरू त सबै ठिक छ उ एक्साइटेड छ एकदम अनि त्यही छ हाम्रो चाहिँ अरू अनि मैले चाहिँ अलिकति अब म पनि यही फिल्डमा भएको भएर मैले सपोर्ट चाहिँ गर्नु परिरहेछ घरमै बसेर अनि यही मैले पनि अनलाइन क्लासहरू नै लिनुपर्छ जस्तो कुनै मेसिनहरूमा के नयाँ आयो जस्तो ऱ्यापिड टेस्ट जुन चाहिँ सेन्सिटिभिटी छैन भनिरहेछ अनि त्यसको सर्च गरिरहेको हुन्छौँ हामीले बाहिर पाइरहेको चिज ल्याउन पनि सक्दैन कि अहिले चाहिँ त्यो चिजहरूलाई चाहिँ अलिकति पिपी भनेर बजार भरिहाल्छ त्यसको कति सेन्सिटिभिटी कति उहरू छैन कस्तो आफू त्यही फिल्डमा भएको भएर अलिकति वरिड लाग्दो रहेछ कि बजारमा सेफ्टी भन्दा पनि मार्केट जस्तो देखिँदाखेरि चाहिँ नराम्रो फिल हुँदो रहेछ कि यसको स्ट्रेस चाहिँ अब इन्डाइरेक्टली हामीलाई चाहिँ छ अब अरू त स्कुलको छोरीको बन्डिङमा त अभियसली मैले जहिले पनि कामभन्दा पहिला छोरीलाई नै राखे भएर मैले गभर्मेन्टको जब पनि छोडे हो खासमा आज नभए म एनपिएचएलमै टेस्ट गरिरह हुनु पर्थ्यो या त कुनै काहीँ जानु पर्थ्यो गभर्मेन्टबाट अनि अरू त जे होस् सबैभन्दा एकदम खुसी चाहिँ स्कुलको एक्टिभिटिज जुन हामीलाई इङ्गेज गरायो नि त्यो नै एकदमै खुसीको कुरा छ अहिले हामीलाई चाहिँ म त्यस्तो फिल भएको छैन अब अरू बोइजहरूलाई चाहिँ गाह्रो हुन्छ होला सायद
Thank you so much, Durgaji. It was wonderful to hear, like, different families having different experiences. And thank you so much for sharing your aha and ono moments. And yes, during this time, it is very important that we are there with each other. So to wrap up with this, I would want you to share that one memorable moment with your family. And if you have any message for other parents, you can, include it along with that. We'll not take more than 30 seconds for each one of you because we have very short time. We wanted to keep it short so that others who watch it find it very informative and fun as well, not too long and stretchy. So yes, anybody who wants to go with your one most memorable moment with your family and any message to the audience or to whoever is going to hear us, you can unmute your mic.
Actually, we have lots of moments, so it's really difficult to wrap up in one single moment. Every day is different. Every day is happier. So the best moment was like my brother-in-law, who used to stay in Doha, he came back. So he shocked us with his cooking. And the boys were happy to have a very yummy egg curry from his uncle. So that was the best moment.
Yeah.
And we just want to suggest everyone to be calm and support each other, because this is the time we should be standing for each other. Stress won't help anyone. So guys, stay positive. Try to live day by day, not in longer span. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sharma. Yes. Shilpa ji?
Okay.
Shilpa ji, you need to unmute. Yes.
Yes. Okay. We also have a lot of, wow moments in a family. I mean, there are lots of them actually. But one thing that clicked my mind was like, in this difficult time, like we are all at home doing different kind of things. My husband and my children, including my in-laws, my father-in-law, everybody is there to help cook at home. So we have kind of a schedule of who's doing what, who's making breakfast, who's doing lunch, who's washing the dishes after snacks. So my daughter Ridana, she's helping a lot. Spurs also helps. He makes his own bed, so he's learning to do things on his own. Including my husband, who's never who hardly goes inside the kitchen. He's trying to make tea and trying to make breakfast for us. And also my in-laws, father-in-law, my mother-in-law, like they're all helping together. So we are all in together. We are 6 of us at home, and all of us are doing our own work. That makes things easier. And sharing and then doing things makes life really comfortable and easier. So all of you stay together, stay united, help each other, and stay positive. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shilpa ji. Okay, Durga ji.
Yeah. मेरो एकदमै मेमोरेबल, मैले डेट पनि लेखा छु, मेरो छोरीले चिया पकाउन सिकेको छ। सबै रेडी, आफैले मरिच कुट्छ, अदरक कुट्छ, सबै दुधहरू पानी म रेडी गरिदिन्छु, सस्पेन निकालिदिन्छु, सबैले हाल्छ, अनि म ग्यासमा बसालिदिन्छु। अनि पछि सोच्छ मम्माको हाउ वाज द टेस्ट, एकदम मिठो छ, खुसी हुन्छ। एउटा त्यो पर्फेक्ट भएको छ। अर्को चाहिँ आफ्नो चिजहरू सबै क्लिन अप गर्न चाहिँ एकदम, पहिला चाहिँ अल्छी गर्थ्यो, अहिले चाहिँ क्लिन अप टाइम भन्छ, आफै सट्ट खेल्छ दिनभरि खेल्छ अनि क्लिन अप गर्छ। दुईटा पर्फेक्ट चिज भएको छ। चिया पकाउने चाहिँ मैले डेट पनि लेखेर आएको छु, भोलि पर्सि ठुलो भएपछि बेबीले यतिमा चिया पकाएको थियो भन्नु पाउँछ नि।
Thank you, Durga ji. Any message for other parents? The sacrifice which you made is like commendable for your children. But any message for everyone, like the parents are going to hear you?
हजुर,
Any message for our parents who are going to hear us?
अरू त केही छैन, स्टे होमै भन्ने हो सबैलाई अहिलेको स्थितिमा त। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। अहिले बच्चाहरूलाई त्यो वासी त्यो नै छँदैछ। अब अलिकति के चिज चाहिँ फरक छ भने हामीले बाहिरबाट सामान जुन किनेर लिएर आउँछौँ नि, एटलिस्ट भेजिटेबल्स एनिथिङ जे नै छ भने, अब यो आजकल त सबैतिर पाइहालिन्छ, त्यही पनि साल्ट वाटरमा अलिकति राखेर, तातो पानीमा साल्ट वाटर राखेर छोड्यो भने चाहिँ 1-2 घन्टा नै गऱ्यो भने 95% जति, धेरै नै नभनौँ होइन, सबै त हुँदैन, या त भाइरस ट्याब्लेटहरूमा राख्न पर्यो, त्यो एउटा सेफ्टी गर्न सक्यो, किन खानु त पर्यो। सबै चिजहरू हुँदैन, जस्तो चामल ल्याएर पखाल्छु भनेर त मिल्दैन। अब पहिला सडकको खनाउनु पर्यो, त्यसपछि त्यो बोरालाई बाहिर इन्फेक्सन या केही गर्न सकिन्छ। सबै चिजहरू सम्भव पनि छैन, कति चाहिँ अब टेक केयरै भन्नुपर्छ, स्पेसल अलिकति एटेन्सन जे चिजमा पनि अलिकति केयर चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ, त्यति हो। अनि कहिलेकाहीँ ज्वरोहरू आयो भने पनि अब आत्तिनु चाहिँ भएन, कन्ट्याक्टमा छ या केही छ भने चाहिँ भएन। अलिकति डेङ्गु र हाम्रो कोरोना भाइरसको सिम्टम्स अलिअलि उस्तै छ कि फेरि, अलिकति त्यो चाहिँ याद गर्नुपर्ने छ। सिम्टम्सहरू लगभग उस्तै नै छ, हामीले रिसर्च गरिराख्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यस्तो आइरहेको छ। अनि त सबैजनालाई स्टे होम, सेफ बस्नुहोस्, इन्जोय गर्नुहोस्, बच्चाहरूसँग सबैभन्दा यही प्रिसियस टाइमै यही हुने रहेछ। अब पछि हामीले पनि कति चिज पाएन, कलेज बस, होस्टल बस, पढ, किताबको थाकमा बस्छ, यो गोल्डन चिज भन्नु पर्यो अब हामीले त हाम्रो लागि।
Thank you so much, Durga ji. Yes, every challenge comes with an opportunity, and it is the way we see it. And thank you everyone for being here in the forum. Now I would like our academic director, Ms. Praveena Thapa, to wrap up this session with few words.
Thank you so much. It was so wonderful to listen to all of you. The last couple of weeks, I really have been enjoying seeing pictures of your children doing activities, seeing pictures of your entire family enjoying activities and enjoying family time together. It has made me feel like I'm still connected to all of you despite the social distancing that we all have been practicing at the moment. It was one of the reasons why we did this session today, and we'll continue to do these sessions in the upcoming weeks as well, is so that what happens is with social media and the kind of lifestyle that we have right now, we post all perfect pictures and perfect videos online. And when others see, they feel like, oh, family ma kasto mazale pakairahcha, kasto mazale ghar sarsafai gariracha, kati khusi basiracha bhanera haina. But then the reality is there are highs and lows every day in family life, and you have to stay in social distancing and be locked in a house with multiple people with different interest areas and different personalities and different styles of working and behaving. It is difficult for all families, and it's difficult to keep children entertained 24/7 for so many days. And it's already been over a month, and God knows how long it's going to go. It is tough for parents. So we thought, why not we put the reality out there for other parents to hear that what you see in social media is not all of that rosy picture. There are other sides to the story as well, and we're all flesh and bone, and we work through it together. And the best part is, just as you shared right now, despite all the ups and downs, it has a silver lining. And it's helped us develop and build our relationship stronger. It's helped us to know ourselves better. It's helped us to know our family members better as well. Amitaजीले भन्नुभएको थियो हैन, you shared about how you realized that your brother-in-law cooks so well and your kids realized that, and that turned out to be a wonderful sharing opportunity. And त्यसरी नै Durgaji had shared about cooking tea with your child, and who by the way is very young, really young, to be cooking tea at this age. And it's such a wonderful opportunity to build that relationship. And it's everything comes with pros and cons. And yes, COVID-19 is not a positive thing, but you know what? We have to deal with the cards that we've been dealt with and make the best of this opportunity to develop that relationship that we can and to get to know our children. So thank you so much for being here and for sharing with me. Our life future ma pani ajai kasta din saksau to talk about something else about parenting. Some wonderful things came up, like teaching life skills bachaharulai, marking their milestones. I also heard a little bit about teaching dignity of labor and gender equality. How tough is that? I know we talk, I'm ठुल्ठुलो कुरा गर्छौं छोरा र छोरी equal हो भन्ने कुरा, but then they're getting that message at home itself by the way that we are behaving at home, and how each and every family member contributes to the activities at home and the chores at home. And thank you so much for being so honest about these things, and we'll have further discussions about it in future as well. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, and let's stay, although not physically connected, but emotionally connected. Thank you. Namaste.